হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান। আচ্ছা, এটা আমার লেকচার সেকেন্ড লেকচার ক্লাস। ফার্স্ট লেকচারে আমি যা যা করেছিলাম সেটা আমি মনে করি তোমরা সবাই প্র্যাকটিস করেছো, আমার হোমওয়ার্কটা করেছো। কার কার কি প্রবলেম আছে এটা তোমরা কমেন্টে আমাকে জানাবে, তাহলে আমি প্রবলেমটা সলভ করে দিতে পারবো। ওকে, আমরা লাস্ট ক্লাসে কি কি সলভ করেছিলাম? ইকুয়াল সেটস, ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট সেটস, Achha, okay. So in the last class we have done up to this equal and equivalent set, right? So today we will do this subset, right? Subset of a set. Now what is subset? Subset is a set if we consider a set, see 1 2 3 4, it's a set. Okay, if we consider another set lesser than elements of A, just to 2 and 3. Okay, if we consider this set B, then this B set is subset of A, right? See, all the elements of A, it belongs to A, all the elements of B belongs to A, and this B is number of elements in B is lesser than number of elements of A, and the elements of B also belongs to A, then this B set is called subset of A, right? Now it is an example of subset. B is subset of A, and it can be written as B is subset of A, right? So there is another meaning of that is that A, if you take A equals to this and C equals to again 1 2 3 4, right? 1 2 3 4, and if you compare A and C, then you also তোমরা কিভাবে লিখবে A is subset of C. You can write like this also, because see here we have A and equal sign with C, so you can write this also with A and C, right? So these are called subset of a set. B is subset of A and A is subset of C. Again C is subset of A, because see they have the same elements in A and C, so we can write A is subset of C, right? So here we have done two types of subsets. Okay, now another subset phi, we are already done null set. This phi null set is always subset of every set, because in null sets no element is there, right? So this set is smallest set of every set. So this phi set is phi. This is also a set. This is subset of all set. This is subset of all set. Phi is subset of C also. Phi is subset of A also. Phi is subset of B also. So this is very important. Phi is subset of any set, because phi contains no element. Okay, so we are done with subset. So see, some remarks are there. Each set is subset of itself, because each set is equal to itself. We have already done. If two sets are equal, then we can say that A is subset of C, right? Similar manner, A is equals to A is equals to A, right? Then we can say A is subset of A, right? So the second point we have already done. The null set has no element, so condition of becoming a subset is automatically satisfied. So null set is subset of every set. You have to remember this thing also. Okay, and the third point. See here, in this condition, see A, we have taken A as 1, 2, 3, 4 and C as again 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So A is subset of C, since they are equal. Again we can write C is subset of A, right? If these two things happen, then we can write A equals to C. Done. So if we have a subset of A is subset of B, again B is subset of A, these two conditions imply A and B, these two sets are equal. Okay, so this is the second point. So we are done with this. So subset we are done with this one. See, one finished, one we have finished. One finished, two finished, three finished. Now again, if we have the fourth one, A is subset of A is subset of is subset of B, the fourth point. Okay, the fourth point. A is subset of B, right? And A not equals to B. A not equals to B. If we have this condition, then A must be proper subset of B. Then it is called proper subset. That means the A cannot be equals to B. Okay, A cannot be equals to B. That means we must have lesser elements than B. Okay, like that. They cannot be equal. A has less elements than B, but elements of A must belong to B, right? So A is subset of B. Then A not equals to B, right? So in this case we have A is subset of B. Okay, see this condition. Okay, this condition, or A is proper subset of B. B is said to be, and B is said to be super subset, and B is said to be super subset of A. Super subset. That means elements of B is more than elements of A, right? And elements of A must belong to B. This must be there. Okay, so we are done. Next, in example 1.8, what we have? A, the set A. What are the elements? X is a prime number less than 5. So write the elements, prime numbers less than 5. So how many numbers we have? 2, 3, right? So prime number starts from 2, then 3, 4 is an even number, then 5. It is less than 5, so we can't write 5. Next set B. Y is an even prime number. So in the last class we are also done this one. What is even prime number? Only 1. It is 2. Okay. See, what is the relation between these two? What is the relation between these two in proper set or subset, like that? So you can write B, elements of B is lesser than elements of A, and elements of B also belongs to A, right? So B is proper subset of A. Okay, B is proper subset of A. Then B is proper subset of A. Yes, B is proper subset of A. Okay, 1.8. Next, 1.9, right? In 1.9 what we have? AB. So they are asking question, A is subset of B. A is subset of B. So just check it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in B what we have? 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, see, they have the same elements, but one is not subset of other. Since A not belongs to B, again 5 not belongs to A. For subset, each and every element must belongs to the other set. Okay, but here see, A cannot be subset of B because element of A, 1, is not belongs to B. Again, B is not subset of A because element 5 not belongs to A, and element 1, this 1 not belongs to B, and element 5 also not belongs to A. So you can't write A is subset of B or B is subset of A. Got it? Because each and every element must include within the set. So it is not including, that's why we can't say it is subset, right? So they have already written this. Next, 1.10. This is 1.9, 1.10. Okay, in 1.10, A is a set with all vowels. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. B is also a set, E, I, O, U, A, right? So see, each and every element belongs to each and every set. These all elements of B belongs to A. All elements of A belongs to B. First of all, we can write that A and B are equal. We have learned earlier. Then we can say A is subset of B and B is subset of A, because see here we have the equal sign. Okay, equal sign, so we can write it A is subset of B and again B is subset of A. So we can write this three condition, 1, 2 and 3, right? 3 possible condition, right? So if A is subset of B, B is subset of A, then A equals to B. Got it? Next, go for the next one. Number of subsets of set. Number of subsets of set. Number of subset of set. Number of subset of number of subsets of a set. That means from a set you have to make some small sets. Oh, okay, from the bigger sets. So if a set is given, you have to find small sets from the given set. Okay, so these are called subsets. Now, number of subsets of a set A. So if A is a set with element P or any other n, okay, then the number of subsets of A is 2 to the power P. If we say this is n, order of A is n, then what is the number of subsets? It is, what is the number of subset? Okay, this is called P of A, power set of A equals to 2 to the power n. Okay, this is also called the set of all subsets. Collection of all subsets of a set is called power set. So number of subsets will be 2 to the power n. Okay, number of subsets will be 2 to the power n. Okay, and number of proper subsets. Number of proper subsets. So let us first make subsets of a set. Okay, let us make subset of a set. Subset of a set. So if we consider subsets of a set, if we consider a set with one element, let us consider one as an element. Okay, so what are the subsets? Subsets are, what are the subsets? I have told earlier, phi is subsets of all sets. Okay, and the set itself is subsets of the set itself. Okay, so the phi, first subset is the phi and the set itself, and the set itself. Okay, so find any other elements whether we can make an subset. মানে আমরা কোনো এখানে এক্সট্রা এলিমেন্ট আছে যেটা দিয়ে আমরা সেট বানাতে পারবো? নো। সি we have already done 5 means একটা element নেই, we don't have any elements, 5. Okay, and making another subset with 1, right? So we don't have other elements such that we can make another subset. So this is it, we have only 2 subsets here. Okay, if we have one element in our set, then we have only 2 subsets. How many subsets? 2 subsets, right? Okay, done. So if we have only one element, we have only 2 subsets. Always first subset is 5, because 5 is subset of all sets and the set itself. Okay, since we have only one element, we don't have any other subset. Okay, আমাদের আর কোনো subset নেই এখানে, যেহেতু একটাই এলিমেন্ট আছে, so हम लोग के पास इतना ही होगा, right? Now next, if we have, see, if we have 2 elements, number 2, if we have 2 elements, let us take 1 and 2, then how many subsets are there? So 2 subsets are fixed, 5 and the set A itself, these are fixed, the 5 and the set itself. Okay, and make some subsets taking single element first, one subset, then again taking 2. Okay, so single only we have 2 subsets, because 1 and 2 elements are there. Okay, we have finished, right? So if we consider another subset, first take single element, then take 2 elements. Okay, so if we take 2 elements together, we have only this subset, the set itself, but this is A, right? This is A, we have already written A, so these 2 are same, so just erase this one. So we have only 4 subsets here if we have 2 elements, first 5, then the set itself, and with the single element. So আমাদের কটা আছে subsets? Only 4 subsets with 2 elements. So how many subsets are there? 4 subsets. 4 subsets, right? Next, number 3. If we have, so see, number of subsets equals to 2 to the power n. Now what is n? 1, 2 square, 4. See, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. How many subsets are there? 4 subsets, right? So this is also important. Okay, this is also important, number of subsets of a set. If we consider 1, 2, 3 elements, so similar manner, write the subsets. 5, again the set itself, if you write the set itself, write the first set A. Okay, the set itself. Next, making 1, 1 element first. Okay, 1 element first, then 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, then 2, 3, right? 2, 3. Next, with 2 elements we have finished. Next we have 3 elements. Now see, with 3 elements we have only the set A itself. We have already written here, so erase this one. Okay, so up to this, with single elements we have 3 subsets, with 2 elements we have another 3, right? So up to this, so how many subsets we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let us verify number of subsets. Number of subsets equals to 2 to the power n means what? the number of elements in the set. It is Q, 8. So we are done. How many elements? 8 subsets. 8 subsets. How many subsets? 8 subsets. Done. So this question is very important. The number of subsets of a set. Okay. So remember one thing. Phi and the set itself is always subset of the set. Okay. These two are fixed for all. Right. So here see what we have, subsets of real number. Subsets of real number. You have to remember this. Okay. Natural number is subset of whole number. Natural number is subset of whole number, because in whole number we have 0 extra, right? That's why. And again the whole number is subset of, see, natural number, then whole number with 0 extra. Okay, in integer this portion is extra, right? So integer, number of elements in integer is greater than w, that means the whole number, so z, right? Next again q, the rational number. So z, here we have z, then z included in q, right? So similar manner q is not related to anything, right? Q is subset of R. All rational numbers are subset of real line, the real number, right? Next, I is included in R, right? I, what is I? Irrational number. What is I? Irrational number. What is I? Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. So irrational numbers separately in this way. Irrational numbers are subset of real number, right? But we don't have relation between Q and I. Okay. So no elements of Q belongs to I. No elements of Q belongs to I. No elements of I belongs to Q. So we can't relate them. Okay. And N is not subset of I. Okay. N is not subset of I. But N is subset of Q. Okay. So we are done. Next we have, what we have? The intervals. The intervals, right? The intervals. Intervals. So in interval we must know the real line. The real line. This is called real line. In middle we have 0. If we consider, so many numbers are there. If we consider 1 here, if we consider -1 here, -2, right? In some distance, -2. Okay, -2, right? This is 2. This is 2, and go on, right? And go on. Now, if we want to make an interval means we are taking each and every element, rational number, irrational number, integers, all are included within that interval. If we consider this portion, that means from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1 means what? From 0, including 0 to 1. Okay, this is called including 0 and including 1, from 0 to 1, each and every element belongs to this interval. Okay, each and every element within this 0 and 1 belongs to this interval. This is called closed interval. This is called closed interval. That means 0 and 1 belongs to this interval. 0 is there and 1 is also there, right? So just mark it like that. Just dark the circle. That means we are including 0 and 1. Number 2. If we not including any point, for example, we are not including -1, but including all the elements between 0 and 1 and including 0. Okay, then what we have to write? This parenthesis. You have to use this parenthesis for the point where it is not included. That means -1. Okay, starting from -1 to 0. 0 is included, so third bracket must be there. Okay, this is called open close. This one. Okay, interval is denoted by this. Okay, like this. So it is here, take this one, a to infinity, open interval, this one, a to b. Okay, where a is not included but b is included. Okay, open close. Similar manner, if you write both are not included, let us take -1 to 2, -1 to 2. Okay, -1 to 2. That means all the elements from -1 to 2 included, but they are not included. The last points are not included. Then these two parentheses are used, right? These are called open interval. So this is all about interval. See here, they have given dark point means starting from A to B, all the points are included, including A and B, ending points. Similar manner for the second one. For the second one, A is not included, but B is included. Okay. And in terms of X, what we can write? Let us take an X, an element within this interval. X is an element here. Let us say X is an element here from -1 to 0. There is an element X. How to write it? So -1 is not included. So just write -1 is less than X. 0 is included. That's why we have to write that equal sign. For that including point, we must have equal sign. Similar manner, how to write any element within this, if we take this one, then how to write? -1 to 2. There is an element lying between -1 to 2. No equal sign, because -1 and -1 and 2, they are not included. Okay. So similar manner, this can be written as X. Any element within this interval, we can write the element lying between 0 to 1. 0 less than equals to X, less than equals to 1. Got it? So this is all about intervals, right? Next. So these are finished. Next, power set. Power set. In power set, we are already done the subsets of all sets. Okay, so collection of all subsets. See, this B, collection of all subsets, power set denoted by PA, collection of all subsets. Okay, so if we collect just like this, sorry, if we collect all the power set. So we have already done how to find the subsets of a set, right? So if we collect all the subsets within a set, then that set is called power set. So we have already done this one. Subsets of this is phi and A, right? So if we write this subset within a set, then this set is called power set. Okay, so similar manner we have already done this one. 1, 2, 3. How many subsets are there? So collect A1 set. Collect all the subsets phi A, then 1, then 2. We have already done all the subsets. Just put all the subsets within a second bracket. Okay, then that is called power set. Okay, 3, then 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay, sir. 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. Okay. Next, what we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. We are done with this. Okay. So 8. How many elements we have? 8 subsets. If we have 3 elements, okay, and put all the subsets within second bracket, then that set is called power set. This is called power set of A1 set. Okay, done. This is all about power set. Next, universal set. Now, what is the universal set? Universal set. Universal set means if we consider a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right, and some other sets 6, C, 4, 2, 4, D, 2, 3. Okay. Now for this 3 set, A is called universal set, right? For this 3 set, A is called universal set. That means this is also belongs to this A, this is also belongs to A, this B also belongs to A. So all together containing this whole set A. Okay, then that set A is called universal set. That means we can write B is subset of A. Okay, C is subset of A, right? C is subset of A. Then D is also subset of A. Then A is called, this A is called universal set. Okay, U, universal set U. Okay, done. Now in 1.3 1.3, see 1.13, what we have, which of the following set considered as the universal set? That means find the set where all the set containing. Okay, so here x is a set of real number, right? X is a set of real number. X is a set of real number. Next, y, set of negative integers, z minus, right? Next, z is natural number. The set z is natural number. Real numbers, negative integers, natural number. Now see, this real number contain the negative integer also, the natural number also. Okay, and this negative integer do not contain in natural number and natural number do not contain in negative integer. But both y and z, y is subset of this x and z is also subset of this x. Then x is your universal set, right? In this way we can find universal set. Okay, next, Venn diagram. In Venn diagram, so let us discuss this Venn diagram in next class, right? So as said earlier in the last class, at the end of the video I will discuss the type of previous year question. So let us discuss one question from 2018 like that till 17. Okay. Question number 4. Which of the following set is not finite? Which of the following set is not finite? So where P, Q, R and S. What is P? A is a coloring rainbow, right? That means we have the 7 colors. Here we have 7 colors, right? In Q what we have? 7 colors means it is a finite set, right? It is a finite set since we can count it. Okay, and B is a page of pages, number of pages in math book, right? So we can count it, na? We can count it. So it is also finite set, right? Next, R. What is R? They are saying C is one of the oranges produced in Jamui Hill, okay, in 2016. Okay, so C is one of oranges. So we can also count the oranges, right? Now S star. Star in universe. Star in universe. Can we count it? আমরা কি এটা কাউন্ট করতে পারি? Stars in universe. Let us take some seconds. Okay? দেখো, stars in universe. ইউনিভার্সের স্টার কি তোমরা কাউন্ট করতে পারবে? check it. So these three are finite, so this is not infinite set. Okay, so S, they are saying which of the following sets is not finite. Okay, so we are done. So from this, practice all these questions. This one, all this from check your progress. Okay, from this check your progress. Solve all this, true or false. This one, this also. How many elements PA? We have already done this. Okay. Write the intervals. Okay. Do all this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. Okay. And universal set. Find a universal set. Okay. Next day we will do that minus, subtraction, and the complement of the set. Okay, and with the Venn diagram, right? Intersection and union. Okay, so this is it for this class. Okay, bye, and practice all this at home, right? Okay, bye bye.